Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Home Depot and going over the Black Friday deals that are still going on, as well as Cyber Monday deals. This is their flyer. Black Friday is not the same as what it used to be. It was literally like 1 or 2 days, and then they had some deals kind of going on the next few days, but now it's like a month long. You get Black Friday deals 2 weeks prior to Black Friday and 2 weeks after Cyber Monday. So if you didn't get to purchase something that you were trying to, as long as it's not sold out, you may still be able to get it. They always have deals going on, so don't worry. A lot of these deals are still available, and you can purchase a lot of them online if you don't want to deal with the headache. So we're just going to quickly go through this. I'm not going to go over all the knickknacks. We're going to primarily go over tools, maybe some home items, but not everything because there is a lot. So up here we just kind of have Christmas decorations. They do have these containers, which are always nice. They're always cheap, but getting them even a few dollars off is always nice. Definitely cleans up some of that clutter that you may have. I use these in the garage and in the attic. At $7, I don't think that's bad, down from $10. Rigid shop vacs. Rigid shop vacs are really good. I've had good experiences with them. A lot of people in the detailing business use rigid, and at discounted prices, they are amazing. So this one's at $60, down from $120. I think that's a really good deal. Got a couple of garage door openers at pretty decent prices here. Your choice of $100, valued at $200. Aluminum multi-purpose ladder, kind of like the Little Giant, I guess. This one's called the Gorilla ladder. This one's at $90, down from $200. You got the Milwaukee little impact driver, or hex screwdriver, I should say, with 2 batteries and a charger for $60. I don't think that's bad. It was at $100. The Ryobi, I don't have much experience with Ryobi, but I can tell you one thing: I hate their battery designs. If you run them, I get it, it's all personal preference. As long as you have good experiences with them, that's all that matters. It's a value of $193. It's at $80 right now for this oscillating multi-tool and drill. I just feel like a lot of their stuff just seems outdated. $100 for this 3-pack of DeWalt batteries, which doesn't seem like a bad deal. These are all 3 amp hour batteries. And at Lowe's, they have a lot of deals going on where you get 4 amp hour batteries and 2 amp hour batteries and get a free tool, or get 2 5 amp hour batteries and get a tool. Some more of the Ryobi items here. I never really cared for these little small cordless screwdrivers. I always felt like they were gimmicky and bulky. I'd rather just quickly get in there with a ratcheting screwdriver or just a screwdriver and get it done. But it's all personal preference. Milwaukee tape measures, I got a couple of them and I really enjoy them. This is at $10 for the compact tape measure. This is the 25 foot, down from $17. These bits that are always sold, by all the different brands, you can usually find them on sale a lot throughout the year. So that's not, while these bits are great to pick up when they are on sale, it's not like they're hard to find on sale. Here's a 6 amp hour 12 volt battery from Milwaukee for $50. One of their reciprocating saws. This isn't their top of the line or anything, but you do get a battery and a charger for $80. Pack out attachment with a couple of 4 amp hour batteries for $99. Their pack out radio speaker, I really like this. I don't run the Milwaukee pack out stuff, but if I did, this would definitely be one that I picked up. I have their smaller job site radio and I really enjoy it, but this one's at $200, down from $300. DeWalt 6 amp hour battery and a charger for $100. Here's their Flex 60 volt at $150, down from $300. I think you can usually find it on sale. Maybe not $150, but definitely not $300. One of their better circular saws, 7 1/4 inch circular saw, was $270, down to $150. Some more of the Ryobi lineup: leaf blower, chainsaw, brad nails, or stapler here, and then a tire inflator. Here's kind of some of your home security / smart home stuff, which if you don't have and you've been looking at right now is a good time to buy. Tons of brands have a lot of stuff on sale for a really good price. They got Ring, Wise, Blink. Blink is one. I run Blink, and there's pros and cons to it. Like it all just depends on what you're looking for. But I like the Blink just because it's wireless. It's easy to just toss up cameras wherever you need, but there are downsides to it as far as like capturing, recording, and all of that. And that's going to go for a lot of these different ones. They all kind of have their own pros and cons. They got Google, Here they have the Milwaukee folding hand truck at $30, down from $50. This bit set at $30, down from $45. I like this bit set. This is one of the first ones I bought from Milwaukee. I like the quick attachments, so I can just throw them in my impact driver or drill. It's already got that hex base or shank on it. Makes it real easy. The drill bits have lasted a really long time. I've only broke one, and it was one of the smallest ones, and it was my own fault because I was really bending it when I shouldn't have to try and get in somewhere at an angle. But overall, I'm very impressed with these Milwaukee bits that I have right here. So here we're looking at a couple Milwaukee items. Any of these 3 purchases here will get you the Forge 8 amp hour battery included with it, valued at $200. So I don't think that's a bad deal. Some of these are more of their expensive items. Milwaukee flannel shirts. 2 of the 3 amp hour batteries at $80, down from $130. Here's their kind of one of their more popular drill driver sets. It's going to include 2 batteries, the 2 amp hour, the 4 amp hour, the drill driver, and the impact driver with a charger at $180, which I don't think is a bad deal at all. I love that little combo set. Framing nailer. Here they have some of the DeWalt stuff going on. Once again, these bits are on sale all year long. Not a big deal, but if you need them, you can always buy them now. One of their lower end impact drivers with a battery and charger for $100. Pretty decent. The Atomic 1/2-inch drill driver with the battery and charger at $100. Here they have a drill driver with 2 batteries and a charger at $150. And then here they have the 4-tool kit, which is a pretty decent little kit. Oscillating multi-tool, reciprocating saw, drill, and impact driver with 2 batteries and a charger for $300, down from $400. Some appliances. Not really going to get into any of the appliances or anything like that. So definitely some good deals going on. Also keep in mind that there are a ton of other deals going on. If you go in stores, you're still going to see a lot of the little knickknacks and stuff on sale. Some of those are really good buys right now. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts or what you were able to get your hands on this year, if anything was worth it for you. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.